What to do when your GMB listing doesn't show up? Is your GMB or Google My Business listing missing from search results? Don't panic. Here's why it happens and how to fix it. Number 1, your listing is new. Google takes time to verify new businesses. Wait for a days, but also check your verification status. Number 2, incorrect business info. Need to make sure your name, address, and phone number matches across your website directories and social media and other channels, because inconsistency confuses Google.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
3. Wrong GMB category. Your business category must match what customers search for. Here, you can double check you're choosing the right one in your settings. Number 4, service area versus physical location. So if you don't have a storefront, you must set a service area. Otherwise, Google might hide your listing, right? Number 5, suspended or disabled. Violating Google's policies like keyword stuffing in your business name can get your listing suspended. Here, you need to check your email for any Google notification.
I'm sorry to cut you while watching my video, but if you have a brand, a business, SaaS, or any tools that you want to advertise in this section, email us at hello@kherkroldanseo.com.
6. Not enough activity. So, post updates, get reviews, and engage with customers. Because inactive Google business profile can drop off the map. Still not showing? You can request reinstatement or contact Google Business Support. Your GMB listing is your #1 local SEO asset. So, don't let it disappear.